Guys, and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can perform reverse Google image search on the Lenovo Tab M9. So on this device we don't have a Google Lens in the default state of the system, so I'm gonna show you the other method for that. In the first step we have to open the settings, the web browser, and go to the google.com, like here. Now tap on the camera icon and choose the photo that you want to search in the Google. If you don't see them, just click on the three dot icon and choose the I'm sure I don't see the desktop mode, maybe on this tablet it is automatically. Okay, we have to add a permission, sorry about that. Now click on the photo and the searching is starting automatically, and now we're looking for similar to the same image in the Google Picture database. And that's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a like, recommend, and goodbye.